Female medical professionals also face different forms of sexual violence at the workplace by colleagues, seniors, and persons in authority. Sexual violence has had its origins even within the institution, the case of Aruna Shanbaug being a case in point.
In the corridors of justice today, a chilling reminder of one of India's most tragic cases was brought to the forefront. As the nation grapples with yet another horrific crime against a woman doctor, Chief Justice of India, CJI Chandrachud, invoked the haunting memory of Aruna Shanbaug, an incident that remains etched in the country's collective consciousness. The Aruna Shanbaug case is among the most horrific attacks on medical professionals. So what is the Aruna Shanbaug case? Aruna Shanbaug was a 25-year-old nurse at Mumbai's King Edward Memorial Hospital. On the night of November 27, 1973, her life took a devastating turn. She was brutally attacked by a ward attendant, Sohanlal Batra Valmiki, who sexually assaulted her and then strangled her with a dog chain. The assault left Aruna with a severe brain damage, plunging her into a persistent vegetative state, in which she remained for 42 years until her death in 2015. The damage to her brain left her paralyzed, unable to speak, and reliant on others for the most basic needs. For over 4 decades, she was kept alive through force feeding by generations of staff at KEM Hospital. According to Pinky Virani's book about Aruna, titled Aruna's Story, Valmiki held a grudge against Aruna after she accused him of stealing food meant for dogs used in medical experiments at the hospital. Aruna's story is not just one of unimaginable suffering. It is also a stark illustration of the dangers faced by women in the workplace, especially in the environments where patriarchal biases are deeply ingrained. Chief Justice Chandrachud, while hearing the case of a Kolkata doctor who was recently raped and murdered, emphasized that women doctors are particularly more vulnerable to such brutalities. He warned that as more women joins the workforce, the nation cannot wait for another tragedy to spur real change. The Aruna Shanbaug case was not just a tragedy. It became a watershed moment in India's legal history, sparking a national debate on euthanasia. In 2011, journalist Pinky Virani filed a petition in Supreme Court seeking permission for Aruna to die with dignity. The court, in a landmark judgment, however, rejected active euthanasia, but paved a way for passive euthanasia, allowing life support to be legally withdrawn under specific circumstances. However, Valmiki served only 7 years in prison, convicted merely for robbery and attempted murder, as sodomy was not recognized as rape under Indian law at the time. Aruna Shanbaug passed away on May 18, 2015, after contracting pneumonia. Her life and the subsequent legal fight still echoes, highlighting the pressing demand for justice and safeguarding of women worldwide.